Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 5th of April 2025 and I start with the first news that China hit back with 34% tariff on all US product, pitching retaliations after Trump Liberation Day's tariff hike of 34% on Chinese exports. Commerce Ministry to control export of rare earth elements vital for production of high-tech products. Rajya Sabha clear new Waqf bill after 14 hours of debate. Modi and Yunus set aside differences, discuss minorities' situations at border. Muslim majority village elect Hindu woman as Sarpanch. JCAS officials were transferred in violation of laws. NC allies move within domain, say LG. Government okay 5,000 crore road project to remove Delhi UP traffic bottleneck. Assam government to drop case against Kochi Rajbangsa in foreigners tribunals. Can't fill vacant school post in 3 months. WBSSC. Thousands of Muslims take to the street in Kolkata to protest Parliament not for Waqf bill. Pinyari daughters Veena to be summoned to special court in CMRL payoff case, arrest unlikely. I'm not in the race for BJP Tamil Nadu President poll, Annamalai. A case for the Global South in securing Ukraine peace. The Ukrainian war is a change for the Global South to emerge as a force that is credible and natural in shaping global stability. A pupil is still waiting to move out of the margin. Transgender individuals continue to face a barrier to accept education, employment, and healthcare. American retreat, US risk ceding its position as a global economic powerhouse. The Supreme Court is right in pushing Speaker to act decisively on defections. Smoke and a mirror to society. Manipur crisis. Kuki Joe Methi civil society group to meet in Delhi today. CFI conference adopts resolutions to declare Israel an apartheid state. Party not able to implement step suggestions for the course correction. CPIM reports. Modi reach Colombo to discuss key issue with Sri Lankan president. Maharashtra government to crack down on huge Waqf land scam, say Fadnavis. First budget session of the 18th Lok Sabha conclude with record productivity. Congress MP AIM chief move to Supreme Court unconstitutional Waqf bill. Modi hail passes of Waqf bill, call it a waterside movement. As NDA allies align, budget sessions signalize the return of BJP dominance. Manoj Kumar, who made Bharat a household name, take his final vow. SC direct CEC to survey forests in Augusta Malai for encroachment. CSR NAL sign technology transfer deal with farm to make Hasna trainee plan. US tariff may pair India's financial year 26 real GDP growth by up to 0.3%. Sensex crashed 931 points amid fear of trade war, recession and farmer stock hit. Europe and Canada to spend more on defense but are cool on US demand. At least 14 killed in Russia missile strike on Zelensky home city. US National Security Chief sacked after a year into the job. Actor Russell Brand charged with rape and other sexual offense. Donald Trump called for direct talk with Iran on nuclear deal. South Korean court ousts impeach President Yoon. At least 17 killed in Israeli strike. Troop enter Gaza's north. US shouldn't stop backing Ukraine if it is serious about Russian outrage. Expert. Iran executions rate double in first 3 months of 2025. NGO. The curious case of Yuki Tsunado, how driving talent is assessed and perceived. Vidarbha, the making of a modern day domestic cricket giant. LSG hold now at the crunch. Age MI in a nail biter. Neeraj headline field for Star Studies event. That's from my side, friends. See you soon. Jai Hind.